Hello friends, today I am going to demonstrate you the use of Power BI. This video is part of my college assignment which is guided by Dr. Vivek Srivastava sir. So before starting Power BI is actually a cloud analytics platform which is a software as a service. So before Power BI, let's see what is cloud analytics. Cloud analytics is a service model in which elements of the data analytics process are provided through a public or private cloud. Cloud analytics applications and services are typically offered under subscription-based or utility pricing model, but the Power BI is absolutely free. Another thing, Gartner defined the 6 key elements of analytics as data structures, data models, processing applications, computing power, analytic models, and sharing or storage of results. These are the elements that which are being used in the cloud analytics and cloud services. Examples of cloud analytics product services include hosted data warehouses, software as service, business intelligence, and that is Power BI. One of the examples of the software as service business intelligence is the Power BI, which is provided by Microsoft, and cloud-based social media analytics. It provides users with a better forecasting technique to analyze and optimize the service lines and provide a high level of accuracy. So how it works? Analytics works with the combination of hardware services and middleware. The system features include the platform that provides data reporting analytics based on text mining activities and analytics techniques. What are the outcomes of the business outcomes of the analytics? Analytics helps to get the right information as and when they are required, identify how to get it, and point out the right sources to get it. Analytics also helps in designing the policies faster based on the information available in the organization. This gives the option through which the organization can increase its profit, reduce recycle time, reduce defects. So, what is Microsoft Power BI? Power BI is a cloud-based software which is used to visualize, analyze the data. It is real-time dashboard, natural language queries, custom visualizations. These are the features that Power BI provides us. What are the steps of using Power BI? It gets us the data, it analyzes it, it visualizes it, then we can also publish it, and also we can collaborate it. So these are the key features which makes this Power BI so popular in today's world. So it secures live connection to your data sources on-premise and in cloud. We can uh, import our data from the cloud data sources or from on-premises. Auto insights and intuitive data exploration using natural language query, pre-built dashboards and reports for popular SaaS solutions that is served as software as service, and live and real-time dashboard updates. How do we get data? Connect to 80 plus data sources, shape, transform, clean data for analysis. All things are available in Power BI provides you. And there's live connectivity to on-premises and cloud data sources. As I have told you that we can import our data from on-premises or cloud data sources from both. We can extend with our custom data connectors and prepare our data for the analysis. For analyzation, it automatically created model and connected data. It has high performance in memory engine, point and click analysis with quick measures, clustering and binding. It is a great tool for analyzing it. And for visualization, it is absolutely perfect, and we can report using 150 plus visuals via drag and drop canvas. We will be seeing how it demonstrate how it works. And we can explore data across multiple interactive visualization and everything we can do. Also, we can publish directly whatever report, whatever analysis visualization we have created in Power BI. We can publish it directly to the cloud or on premises, that is in our on our local web host. Automatic data refresh, so your reports are always up to date. So like I have shared something on cloud, and whenever I'm working, I will refresh when if someone else is viewing that presentation, that report, and at the time if I update something, then he will refresh and he can see the changes that I have made. We can package our reports and manage our analytics content, admins, and whatever we want. We can collaborate if we have a we have a team, and we can collaborate inside a team. We can enable users to ask questions and automatically discover insights from the data. We can connect live to our models in Excel and Power BI desktop. So that's it for the PowerPoint. Now let's move to the practical demonstration of the Power BI. So this is the Power BI desktop that I have already installed on my laptop. If you want to install the Power BI, so go to the Google and search Power BI download. You can see here that I download Microsoft Power BI, and from here you can download. You get to the advanced downloading option, select the language and whatever you want. You will click on download here, and according to your system's requirement you can download it from here and then easily install it. So let's move to the Power BI. So this is the home page that you will see while you will open. These are the options. You can import data from Excel, from a SQL server, or paste blank table. Try sample data set. That if you don't have any data set, you can try sample data set to explore it. So these are okay. So let's try a sample data set to explore, and we load a sample data. Okay, so this is the sample data that by default Power BI provides us. I have selected this, and so yeah, so this is a financial, and these are the columns that the data that is being provided for us, and let's load it. It will take some time to load the data because it is being connected to the cloud. Sometimes it depends from about your internet speed also. And it should be loaded like, yeah. So if you click on here, you will see the data sorry, that the data has been imported. So this is the data that we will use to work upon and see the demonstration, see the magic, see the everything that Power BI can use and why the Power BI is so popular. So let's explore it. First we can transform our data. If you click on this transform data, then it as a new window will open like this, and this will provide us the option. It is similar to Microsoft Excel. We can apply formulas here, and like Microsoft Excel, we can delete the columns, we can delete the rows, we can edit the column whatever we want, and there are so many steps, so many things here you can explore, and you can modify the data, and then finally you can close and apply. So this is the option. If you modify your data, you can change your data here. From here you can do it, and after going to it, and let's go to the visualizations. If you want to visualize it, this is our data, we can view this data, and then these are the data properties. But let's quickly go to the visualization. If I click on this, these are the different graphs and pie charts that Microsoft Power BI provides us for visualization. And this is not only limited for this, there are a lot of visualization tool. So let's explore this stacked bar chart first, as this is basic. As soon as you click here, this image will appear here. You can enlarge it, and now it is, you have to select the column for visualization, suppose. Okay, so and I want to see the sales at year wise, how many sales have been there. So for the y-axis I want the sales, and it will automatically, you see some of the sales, and so y-axis I want yearly. So you can see this that in year 2013 I had this much of approximately 25 million of sales, and for the year 2014 I have 85 million of sales. I want to see that quarterly. I want to see that quarterly. So quarterly also. So in year 2013 there was quarter 3, quarter 4. In these quarters, quarter 3 was comparatively low, and after that quarter 4, and then quarter 1 was high, and this was. I also want to see month wise, like month wise what was my sales. So okay, so here it came automatically month wise. So in the year 2013 of the month of September, I had this much of sales and this much of sales. Every month of this I can visualize it, so you can see how beautifully in just seconds I have made this visualization. If I would use the pandas um, for visualize and matplotlib for the visualization, that of course it would have take me much more time than that, than this. So yeah, it's completely better. You can we can play with that, we can explore this. And also I want to see not only sales, I want to see profit also. What was the profit? So sum of profit I want to see. So sum of profit, you can see September it was this much of profit, was this much, and in the month of October I had this much of profit. So that's amazing, you can visualize. And not only this, every type of graph you will, I want this type of graph or this is better for, I think this is better visualization for the profit. If you want to visualize two things, that is sales and profit, you can see that okay, let me enlarge it. Oh, I did enlarge it. And yes, now you can see clearly. So in the September month, I have this much of sales and this much of profit. Month of the September, this much of sales and this much of profit. So this is the profit area. I can use the line graph here. It will more better. Yeah, you can see this is the sales and this is the profit. As the sales is increasing, the profit is also increasing rationally. So you can see how beautiful it is, how beautiful representation we can make. And not only this, we can make different types of things. Like suppose this is the thing I want another one. I want, so let's click on that, and I will say copy visual. And if I right click on here, and I will say I have made it another one like this, it important here. And so this is the thing that we can import it. Where I wanted the copy paste thing that also it provides, like from where I should go. Yeah, yeah. And I click on here and pasted control V. As soon as I pasted control V, I got this. Yeah, it is the same copy of this thing. Now I can edit it. I can edit it with different things. Can edit with different things. For this, I suppose I want to remove the sales. Only I want to see only profit. So this is the profit. I want this bar chart for this. This is profit. I want this data as the like for, yeah, that was the thing. You can see that one more feature of the Power BI that provides monthly. When I click on that, then only it will appear. So this is also one of the feature that we get. Okay, so these are the report that we have created. And also suppose I want another one, and I said V, and I came it here. Okay, you can organize it accordingly. And for this I want just, yeah, where do you this sum of profit, I want to hit sum of sales. So I remove the profit, and I got the sales only. So you can see. And so that's it. For that, video is getting too long. uh, we have too many things to explore in the Power BI that we will be exploring in the next videos. So that's it for for it. And you can see a lot of things are there also. And at the end I would share that if you want to share this, you can click on this publish. And yes, I want to make changes, I will save it. And let us see. And yes, you can save from here. I like my Power BI first Power BI. I have the extension of Power BI 5. I'll save it. Also it will ask you for the email address, because to work sign in you can provide your email address here and continue, and so it will tell us for now just cancel it. Also not only this, you can click on like here from file and save as, and you can also save as. You have different options for Power BI file also. You can do it from here only, and you can do save it as a PDF also. Where should I, yeah, export. So export, you can export this Power BI template, that will be one, but better thing that is more useful is export to PDF. Though Power BI template is more useful than that, but if you want statically to send the mail or some present it, or you want to use this presentation, so you can export it to PDF. It is exporting PDF, and it is being opened. Yeah, it's loading. Yeah, so this is the PDF. First Power BI.pdf. You can see how beautiful it is. I have within a seconds I have made this much of visualization with the help of Power BI. These great, useful and insightful presentations, visualization and analysis that I have made with using Power BI, that is really important for the your organizations. So that's it for today's video. Hope you liked it. Thank you.